Hi kids, today we learn about flower with its parts. So let's start. Flower. Flowers are the reproductive part of a plant. They are not involved in reproduction but are also a source of food for other living organisms. They are a rich source of nectar. Flower can neither be complete and incomplete in nature. This is the definition of complete and incomplete flower. A complete flower is the one that consists of sepals, petals, stamens and pistil. And an incomplete flower is one that lacks one or more of these structures. A complete flower consists of two different parts, vegetative part and reproductive part. This is the picture of China rose with its parts. Kids, let us see the vegetative part in a flower. Petals. This is the bright color part that attracts bees, insects and birds. Color of petals varies from plant to plant. Some are bright while some are pale colored. Thus, petals help us to differentiate one flower from another. Sepals. Sepal is a green colored part beneath the petals to protect rising buds. Some flowers have few petals and sepals, while a few have separated petals and sepals. This is the definition of reproductive parts of a flower. Apart from these parts, a flower includes reproductive parts, stamen and pistil. A flower may have only female parts, only male parts, or both.
Audio Jungle.
Stamen. This is the male reproductive organ and is also known as androecium. It consists of two parts, namely anther and filaments. Anther, a part of a stamen that produces and contains pollen grains and is usually bony on a stalk. Filament. The filament is a slender, thread-like object which functions by supporting the anther. Pistil. This is the innermost part of a female reproductive organ of a flower which comprises three parts, stigma, style and ovary. This is collection known as the pistil. This is the definition of three parts of pistil. Stigma. It is a topmost part or recitative tip of carpels in a gynoecium of a flower. Style. It is a long tube-like slender stalk that connects stigma and the ovary. Ovary. It is a ductless reproductive gland that holds a lot of ovules. It is a part of a plant where the seed formation takes place. Kids, we have completed the topic. If you understand the topic, then subscribe my channel for latest updates.